Hey kids, today we will learn the fifth characteristic of living being. The fifth characteristic of living being is they reproduce. Means all the living being they reproduce their younger one. So here we can see cat is give the birth to the kitten, dog give the birth to the pups, and hen give the birth to the chicks.
All living beings produce more of their own kind. Some animals give birth to young ones. For example, cats give birth to kitten and dog give birth to puppies. On the other hand, some animals lay eggs which hatch into young ones of their kind.
All the own kind giving the birth. Okay, all the kind is producing their own kind. How? The some are basically produced there in the form of directly child. They giving the birth to the child one. Okay, the child is actually directly kitten and the dogs actually birth to their child. But some are giving actually birth in the form of eggs, lay eggs. So over here we can see the hen giving the birth as eggs convert into the hatching, and then finally we get it the chicks over here.
All the birds and reptiles lay eggs of different sizes and colors. These eggs hatch into their respective young ones. Humans also give birth to young ones which grow into adult. Young ones of living things are called offspring.
So over here kids, what we learned, all the birds and reptiles lay eggs. All the birds are giving the birth to the child in the form of eggs, and their eggs are different size. Not all the reptile does not have the same size. These eggs hatch into their respective young. So these eggs will be converted into their younger one. Women also giving the birth to the young one, which grow into adults. So later on they will grow into adults. So like you actually growing the same way, human also, other child also will grow. The young one of the living thing, what we call offspring. So this is the, we have questions, but we need to understand all the living being we will call offspring.
Plants produce seeds which grow into new plants. Can you imagine what would happen if living things did not reproduce?
So over here kids, plants also reproduce. Plants also produce their seeds which grow into new plants. Okay. And over here, can you imagine what would happen if the living thing don't reproduce? If living things don't reproduce, their own kind is species will be vanish. Okay.
Non-living things do not reproduce.
So we know that now. So all the non-living things they cannot reproduce. So if I made if human being made a, so what is the non-living thing? For example, mobile. So mobile not reproduce their own kind exactly. Okay, who will reproduce of the? So all non-living thing is generally mostly living things is made by human. So that is not reproduce further. So this is fourth activity kids. Here name of the offspring of following animals. So we need to give their child's name. So means what we called it. The cow actually child baby's name what we called it. Dog baby's name what we called. Cat and hen. We need to be give the name over here. What is the child baby name is? Calf.
Calf.
What is the child baby name of the dog is?
Puppy.
What is the child baby name of cat is?
Kitten.
And what is the child baby name of hen is?
Chick.
Chick.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.